You know what, guys? I don't want to fight with Jordan Bunagan. You know Jordan Bunagan, ha? After you forcing Shania Kiana to threaten to kill me, oh, I call you abnormal, Jordan Bunagan. You know what, Jordan Bunagan? You always bullying me. You know, your art is very ugly. Pangit. You're abnormal. Tarantado ka, Jordan Bunagan. You know what, Jordan Bunagan, ha? You did it to my former friend, David Gill. If I were you, Jordan Bunagan, if I say to you, don't do that to me again, Jordan Bunagan. You know, Jordan Bunagan, I am saying to you, sumusobra ka na, Jordan Bunagan. You always ruin my life. Putang ina mo, Jordan Bunagan. Sorry for my bad words. If Paula Nunez watch this, I don't want to say that to Paula Nunez and Lawrence Villawan. Oh, you know, Jordan Bunagan, sumusobra ka na, Jordan Bunagan. You know, you always ruining my life. Even you're siding with Roylan Marlang, you're siding with Dan Mardayaw and Tero Francisco and Juris Patrick Ofesia. Are you nuts, Jordan Bunagan? You want to choose your allies to manipulate me, even Carl Bilus? Jordan Bunagan, manahimik ka na lang if I were you. If I were you to say to you, Jordan Bunagan, you know, I don't want to be a friends with you anymore in Facebook. I already told to David Gill and his family, file that cases against Jordan Bunagan, not me. At least I apologize to David Gill and his family, even the church. Oh, you know, Jordan Bunagan, you should listen to Jesus. Jesus is a Palestinian. Oh, if I were you, Jordan Bunagan, you will pay for your sin. You know, puro ka lang katarantaduhan, Jordan Bunagan. Oh,